think I messed up by not telling you sooner how you can make $600 without a website. Our 3 step blueprint could be your ticket to a 6 figure income. Imagine this: no products to create, no websites to build, just commissions ranging from $50 to $600. Step 1: grab one of our digital products. Easy, right? Step 2: market with our high converting ads. Step 3: start raking in those commissions with our step by step game plan. We'll teach you how to dominate Facebook and Craigslist and turn Instagram followers into loyal customers. Plus, our YouTube automation course will have YouTube videos working for you 24/7 on autopilot. Perfect for college dropouts, stay-at-home moms, or anyone looking to earn extra income. Ready to become a digital entrepreneur? Click the button below and get started today.